The cheapest premium is rarely the cheapest year. Everybody shops the monthly premium because that is the number the plan finder shows you. But the number that bills you is the whole year, premium, deductible, coinsurance, prescriptions, and a surcharge almost nobody sees coming. You pick the low premium, and the year does not match. So meet the sample file that ships inside. Harold and Jean Whitaker are shipped sample data, not customers. Modified adjusted gross income of $219,300 for the tax year 2024. Their projected total, $17,254.40, $2,296.80 of its surcharge. Chapter 1. IRMAA is an income surcharge on top of the standard Part B premium, $202.90 a month. The Whitakers pay $284.10 each because Social Security looked back 2 years. $214,800 of adjusted gross income plus $4,500 of tax-exempt interest is a modified AGI of $219,300. That is Tier 2 of 6. If your income has already fallen, you retired, a pension ended, a spouse died, the SSA 44 asks Social Security to use your current income instead of that old return. All 8 qualifying events are listed. This household's is work stoppage. Filing it could remove up to $2,296.80. Whether it is granted is Social Security's decision, not this workbook's. Chapter 2. This is the line that catches careful people. Municipal bond interest never enters your adjusted gross income. But the MAGI Social Security uses for IRMAA adds it straight back in, and the Whitakers hold $4,500 of it. Their bracket floor is $218,001, and they are $1,299 above it. Take that $4,500 away, and they drop to Tier 1, no surcharge at all. For $1,500 of tax-free income, cost this household $2,296.80. Chapter 3. Income tax phases in. IRMAA does not. 6 brackets, every one a step. Tier 1 pays the standard $202.90 a month. Tier 6 pays $689.90 for exactly the same Part B. Which means the edges do the damage. They sit $54,701 below the next line, at $274,001. Cross it by a single dollar, and the household surcharge jumps $3,472.80 for the year. No phase-in. No proration. Chapter 4. Original Medicare with Plan G and a standalone Part D plan costs this household $17,254.40. Healthy, moderate, or catastrophic. The same number 3 times. Medicare Advantage costs $10,492.40 healthy, $12,352.40 moderate, and $18,452.40 in a bad one. So the spread is the decision. Advantage wins by $6,762 in a healthy year and loses by $1,198 in a bad one. Flat costs more and never surprises you. Variable costs less and can hand you an $8,300 out-of-pocket maximum. Neither is the right answer for everybody. Chapter 5. The lookback runs forward too. Convert $100,000 to a Roth in the tax year 2028 and nothing happens for 2 years. It arrives in 2030 as $2,845.20 of extra premium, 2.85% of the conversion, billed 24 months later. One honest note. Next year's figures do not exist yet. Social Security announces the cost of living adjustment on October the 14th. And CMS publishes the Part B and IRMAA numbers in mid-November. Anything quoted before then is somebody's estimate. That column is empty on purpose. Cream input cells, waiting. You type 3 of them in. 14 connected tabs and 2,471 formulas. recalculated clean, 0 formula errors, and passed 807 out of 807 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file. The drug modeler 2, 6 prescriptions, $78,252 gross, $2,520 actually paid. The annual cap is $2,100 per person. This is a planning tool. It is not insurance, tax, legal, or financial advice, and it does not sell or recommend a plan. Plan availability and premiums are county-specific and age-rated. Nothing here promises you an outcome. Confirm your own numbers at Medicare.gov with your state's free SHIP counselor or with a licensed broker. Enrollment runs October the 15th to December the 7th. Put your income, your prescriptions, and your plan quotes into the cream cells, and your whole Medicare year is priced before enrollment opens. The Medicare and IRMAA Command Center is $24.97 with free lifetime updates in Excel and Google Sheets. Know your year before October. The link is in the description.